How to recover Snapchat streak without paying. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First of all, if you have lost your Snapchat streak, it will show you an option that says restore just beside your chat. Now, in case you don't see that option, here is what you should do. Launch any of your preferred web application. At the top search bar, type in help.snapchat.com. Once done, you will see a page like this. Now you have to scroll all the way below. Under Need to Get in Touch, you will see Contact Us. Open that link. And under these various options, select the one that says I lost my Snapchat streak. Now once it is so, it says that please note that only recently expired Snapchat streak that were at least 3 days old can be restored. So you have to tap on Submit a Request. And likewise, type in the email address, your username, phone number, your friend's username if you have any, then tap on Submit. And now all you have to do is wait for Snapchat to email you back on how you can recover your streak. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.